Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and I'm a teacher with the SH.E.B.A dance programs. We're going to work on circular movements today. It's round and smooth circular movements. Okay, so we're going to build a combination that's not really too much about dancing, but more about combining different circular movements for belly dance. Okay, but before we do that, make sure you warm up. You can use one of the warm ups that's prepared on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the videos. You'll get all the notifications and recommend to your friends. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a circle from down, side, up, in. The circle is going like that. I'm going like that. So I'm pushing my hip to the side. Then I'm straightening my leg and pushing my hip up towards my armpit. Then I'm bringing it into the center of my body and bringing it down. Okay? So it is shift to the side, lift towards the armpit, bring back to the center of your body, and bring down. Okay? Let's do it on both sides very slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shift, lift by straightening the leg. Bring it into the center of your body. Bring it down. Put your feet on the ground. As you put the heel back on the ground, push the other one to the side and up, in, down, side, up, in, down, side, up, in, down. If you're a complete, absolute beginner and you want to get a good exercise to get used to this lifting motion, is to just make believe that you're walking, but just with your heels. You walk, 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 walk. I am not releasing the ball of my feet from the ground. I'm just lifting my heel. Okay? So, the motion to lift it is I'm lifting the heel and I'm also putting intention on my hip by straightening my leg even more towards my armpit. And then I'm doing the same with the other side. Up, up, up. Let me show you from the side. Up, 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 up. Remember, I'm doing the bicycle riding, but I'm also, every time I lift the heel, pushing my hip towards my armpit, okay? But in this combo that we're doing right now, we are going to also first slide to the side a little. Then we're going to do that, lifting the heel towards the armpit. Then we're going to bring it in without affecting the other side too much. Just bring it from the up to the center of our body, and then we're going to bring it down. And as we put our heel to the ground, we're going to do the other side. Side, up, back in, down. Side, up, back in, down. Shift to the side, lift, back into the center of the body, and down. So that is our first movement for this combination. Let's jump to the second one. The second one would be an internal hip circle. Some people call it omi, some people call it plate. I think it's a internal hip circle. Either way, it's okay, as long as we're doing the right movement. So we're going to do it side, back, side, in. Side, back, side, in. Side, back, side, in. Side, back, side, in. And then we're going to do it without the stops. We're just going to do it in one motion, but we're going to hit all those points. So side, back, side, in. Side, back, side, in. Side, back, side, in. Let's do it to the other side. 5, 6 with the stops. Side, back, side, in. Side, back, side, in. Side, back, side, in. Side, back, side, in, side, back, side, in, side, back, side, in, without the steps. Okay? So the first two moves of this circular combination is up and in, and one internal hip circle. So I'm going on the right, shifting to the side, up, in, down, finishing, and as I finish, I start a left, side, back, side. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm doing two circles. The first circle is, if I had a pencil here, it would be a circle, finish it, and then the next circle would be circle. If I had a pencil, I would hope to do a circle, small circle on the ground. Okay, so let's do that again. Together, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Our next circle is going to be a chest circle. Okay? So, we're going to go right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. So, 1, 2. 1, 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Undulation 7, 8. Okay? So, for the circle, let's do it with the stops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, no stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to the other side with a stop and without. Up, side, down, side, up, side, down. No stop. Down, side, up, side, down. Okay? So the combination. And after that, we're going to have just a straight up upper body undulation. Okay? Upper body undulation. Chest out. Contract the upper abs. Contract the lower abs. Release. Chest. Contract, contract, release. Push the chest also in a circular. Contract the upper abs. Contract the lower abs. Release. Just a side note, if you feel that you are comfortable with a combination, you can also change some angles. If you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can change, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can just choose whichever counts you want to use in order to, make it a little bit more dynamic. Let's move on. The next move is a hip circle, and I'm going to do it on an angle. This is my audience here. I'm going to do it on an angle. So I'm going to go front, side, back, full hip circle. So as I take a step, I go front, side, back, shift away to the back. Complete full. The next one, to the same direction, I'm just taking a step and shifting the weight. My weight is in the front. I'm going to take 2 steps to the back with the back leg. 1, 2. I'm ready to do it to the other side. Hip, full hip circle. And just step, shift my weight. Step with the back, step with the back. Together with me. 5, 6 to the right. First. Full hip circle. Shift away. Step and back. Full hip circle. Shift away to the front. Step and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 2, 3, 4. Left, step, step, and step. Okay? Let's do that with the music. Is more about putting the circles together. You can do the arm however you want. It's more like a technical combination. You can make it look very beautiful inside the song, but you have to make your own choices of what of those to use. Okay, I just wanted to put a few circles, a few round movements together for us. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time. Mwah.
Did you know that subscribing to a YouTube channel increases your happiness? Try it! Start with this one. You'll get loads of belly dance tutorials that will definitely make you happy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please click the like button and let us know in the comments what was your favorite part and what other tutorials you would like to see here on our channel. And remember, it's okay to not get it perfect from the very first try. Just take it one move, one combo at a time, and keep practicing. You'll get better and better over time. Until next time, keep dancing.